Good morning, student. This video is for standard 4th. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 5, Sources of Water. This is the part 2nd. The end of this module you will able to learn what is evaporation, factors affecting evaporation, what is condensation and examples of condensation. Evaporation and condensation. In this module, let us understand the natural phenomenon of evaporation and condensation. As a result of a rainy day, Rahul coat gets wet. Now, in order to dry it up, he hangs the coat on the terrace roof. Next morning, he finds that coat has dried up. I want you surprised. How could water-soaked coat lose all that water? Let me explain you. The water in the coat has been converted into gaseous form and has been transferred into the air through a process called as evaporation. When water is heated, it changes into water vapor. It means the change of water to water vapor due to heating is called evaporation. The process of evaporation constantly takes place in the nature. Do you know sun is the major cause for evaporation? Winds also contribute in the evaporation process. Thus, we can conclude that the clothes would dry up faster on a windy sunny day than on a normal sunny day. Factors affecting evaporation. There are 4 factors to affect evaporation. That is temperature, surface area, humidity and wind speed. Let us try to understand. Water evaporates faster when the weather is windy. Take 2 saucers of the same size. Pour an equal amount of water in them. Put one saucer under a fan and turn the fan on. Do not put the other one under the fan. Put it in a place where there is no wind. Take a look at the saucers after an hour. You will observe that there is less water in the saucer placed under the fan. This means that more water has evaporated from the saucer placed under the fan. Thus, it proves that water evaporates faster when the weather is windy. Next, water evaporates faster when the temperature is high. Take the same amount of water in 2 saucers of the same size. Keep one saucer in the sun and the other in the shade. After an hour, you find that there is less water in the saucer that is in the sun. This shows that more water has evaporated from the saucer placed in the sun. It proves that water evaporates faster when the temperature is high. Water evaporates faster when the exposed surface is large. Take 2 handkerchiefs of the same size and fabric. Fold one handkerchief in half twice. Put this handkerchief on a table. Spread the other handkerchief on the table. After some time, you find that the handkerchief that was not folded is dry and the one that is folded is still wet. This proves that water evaporates faster when the exposed surface area is large. Condensation process. When hot water vapor touches the cool surface, it changes into liquid form. It means the process of water vapor changing to water is called condensation. Let me give you another example to explain you. Let's take out chilled water bottle from the fridge. After few minutes, you will see small droplets of water come out from the surface of the bottle. Children, think about it. Why does this happen? Let me explain you. As you know, air is everywhere and it has water vapor and many other gases. When hot water vapor touches the cool surface of the bottle, it cools and changes into water droplets. Let's see example of condensation. Dew. When water vapor condenses on cold object like grass in the fields, dew is formed. Snow. Water vapor freezes in the air. It forms crystals of ice called snow. Fog. During winters, water vapor condenses on the dust particles in the air to form clouds close to the ground. These clouds are called fog. So, when there is more cold, we do not see anything of front. Students, the process of evaporation and condensation creates a water cycle in the nature.